What is up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial video. For today's topic, I'll be showing you how you can create contact poster on iOS 17. Let us start by opening the phone app and then tap the Contacts tab below. Now here, select a contact from your contact list and then tap on the Edit button. Tap on the Edit button below the poster. You can see the default contact poster. But now, let's create a new one. Tap on the Create New button. Then choose your poster by selecting either you choose the camera to take a photo right now. Choose Photos to select a specific photo from your album. Or you can even use a Memoji to set as your contact poster. For now, let's try to use Photos. Now here, it will open all your photos. Simply choose what photo that you want. You can change the filter by swiping on the screen. Choose what style that you want to have. And then you can also change the background color of that style by tapping the color icon below. Select on the options what specific color you want, and then you can adjust the brightness of that color using the slider below. When you're done choosing, you can also choose to have a depth effect or not by tapping the three dots icon below. Now, after finalizing your contact poster, tap the Done button above to save it. Then here, you can see the preview poster of that contact. You can also choose to update your contact photo. But for now, let's just skip it. Tap on the Done button above, and that's simply it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.